before replacing the burner. The first set of these are the thermocouple wires, the second set are the heating wires, the third set of wires is for the burner motor. First, go to the electrical cabinet, use a screwdriver to remove the thermocouple wires. Next, hold down the terminal and pull out the burner motor wires. Then go to the side of the machine, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the heating wires from the burner. And recycle all the wires to the bottom of the burner. Next, pull out the tube by pressing on the spring pads of the connector. Pull down on the feed tube. Finally, use a socket to remove the 4 set screws. And remove the ground wire from the stud. The next step is to install the new burner. Install the new burner on the studs. Fix the ground wire back to the stud. Then add the original spacers to the 4 studs, secure the 4 nuts with sockets. Thread the thermocouple wires, heating wires, and motor wires to the back of the unit. When finished, connect the thermocouple wires back to the main board, and install the cable cover. Connect the motor wires back to the control board, and install the cable cover. Connect the heating wires back to the heating plate, and secure the screws. Note that there is no difference between positive and negative poles. Finally, connect the three-way valve and feed tube back to the burner.